Hey, what's up? I'm George. I go by the Internet Income Ninja, and I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you and congrats for taking action, which is a lot more than most people do. I just wanted to take a minute to just clarify some things and introduce you to this amazing opportunity. So, if you're anything like me, you've probably wanted to start a side hustle or started a full time business. And you've probably tried a lot of things and have gotten zero or little success. And with that said, I want to introduce high ticket affiliate marketing to you. And this is potentially the biggest thing that could happen in your life. So there's this guy named Dave Sharp. He created an 8 figure business doing the same thing that this information is about to share with you. So, real quickly, you've tried a lot of things in the past, you haven't gotten much success, you're probably thinking you want to give up. Don't. And the reason you probably feel this way is because you've come across a lot of information on YouTube, Instagram, and all these places, and you're probably confused as to who to listen to, what to do, how to go about doing things. Take some time, click the button in this below this video that will take you to a presentation that will share with you all you need to know about this legendary marketer opportunity. Listen to Dave, listen to what he has to say. You don't need to do anything else for now. Just listen, learn, and make an informed decision. That's really all you can do right now. It doesn't make sense to make a decision without getting the facts. And seeing that you've tried so many things before, and even if you've never tried anything before, get your facts, be informed, make a decision. So click the button below this video, hear what Dave has to say. He is a legend. Again, he has built a multiple 8 figure business. Learn from him and then take action. So I'll see you guys on the next side. Thanks again for signing up.